Good morning, children. In the last lecture, we had seen how to solve a given quadratic equation by completing the square. Last lecture, I took only 2 sums. So, I will take one more of that method and then we will switch on to the next method. Now, this sum is sum number 5 from your practice set 2.3. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equals to 0. As I told you, for completing the square you have to be very careful. The coefficient of square term should be 1. It is 2 here. So, first you divide this by 2 to get here 1. So, dividing by 2, what you get is y square dividing by 2, you get here y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 upon 2 is equals to 0. Then y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Then I told you shift the constant term to the right hand side. Y square plus 9 by 2y is equals to minus 5. Till here you can do very easily. Now, next step is I told you, you want to add something on both the sides so that the left hand side will become the square of a binomial. Now, to find that, what I told you, to find the term to be added, how to find that term? You see what is the coefficient of this y term, right? So, here 9 by 2. So, last term is half into 9 by 2 bracket square, always I told you half into coefficient of y term, that is 9 by 2. So, that gives me 9 by 4 bracket square, which is 81 upon 16. So, you have to add 81 upon 16 on both the sides of this equation. So, what you get, see now here, adding 81 by 16 on both sides, y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 by 16 is equals to minus 5 plus 81 by 16. After that, I told you which is that binomial or how to find that binomial. To find that binomial, I told you what is the square root of y? It is y. Square root of y square is y. Which sign is here? Plus. So, put plus sign. Then come on to 81 upon 16. What is the root of 81 upon 16? 9 by 4. Bracket square. I will repeat again. To get this from here, concentrate on what is y square ka root? Y. Take the sign of the middle term, plus. Forget about this now. What is the root of 81 upon 16? 9 upon 4 is equals to. Now, 16 5s are 80 upon plus 81 upon 16. So, y plus 9 upon 4 bracket square is equals to 1 upon 16. After that, you have to take the square root on both the sides. So, taking square root on both sides, you get y plus 9 upon 4 equals to, whenever you are taking square root, you have to take plus minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 16 ka root is 1 upon 4. So, you get y plus 9 upon 4 is equals to 1 by 4, or y plus 9 by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 4. So, you get here y is equals to 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 goes that side, means minus 9 by 4, or y is equals to minus 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Therefore, y is equals to, LCM is 4 here, 1 minus 9, or y is equals to, LCM is 4 here, minus 1 minus 9. Y is equals to minus 8 upon 4, or y is equals to minus 10 upon 4. So, y is equals to minus 2, or y is equals to minus 5 upon 2. So, y is equal to minus 2 or y is equal to minus 5 by 2 are the roots of the given equation. So, solution set, you write down minus 2 minus 5 by 2. This ends the sum. I hope you understood this. So, remember that to find the last term, it is always half into the coefficient of the middle term, right. So, that you remember, and then when you get that number, you go on adding on both the set of this, you will get your roots. So, this was how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by using completing the square method. So, today we are going to study a new method which is known as the formula method. If you are given an equation, say ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, what we do is we divide this by a. So, you get here x square plus b upon a plus c upon a is equals to 0, as what we did for the completing the square method. Now, after this, I told you that if you want to find the last term, one more step I will write. This is what we do for completing the square till here, right. Now, what you do is you find the last term. So, x square plus b upon a plus, now what will be the last term? How to find the last term? I told you half into coefficient of middle term. So, that is b upon a bracket square, which is equals to b square upon 4a. So, if you go on adding this last term over here, so b square upon 4a is equals to minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a. See, as you did for completing the square till here, we found the last term. How to find the last term? You know, half into coefficient of b upon a. So, half into coefficient of b upon a is b square upon 4a. So, that I added on both the sides here. Now, again this is the expansion of which binomial? It is the expansion of the binomial x, square root of x square is x, plus b upon 2a bracket square. I repeat again, see how to find the binomial x square का root is x, plus sign is there, so put plus sign. B square upon 4a root is b upon 2a, the entire bracket square. So this is the expansion of this binomial is equals to, what is the LCM here? 4a. You get how much here? 4c plus b square. X plus b upon 2a bracket square is equals to b square minus 4ac upon 4a. I hope this is clear to you how to find LCM and all that. 4a is the LCM, here I will get 4c plus b square upon 4a. Now what we do is, we take the square root on both the sides. So when you take the square root on both the sides, you will get here x plus b upon 2a is equals to. Now what is the square root of b square minus 4ac? You cannot find, so you have to put in a root sign. So square root of b square minus 4c upon the root of 4a is 2a. So square root of b square minus 4ac is root of b square minus 4c and root of 4a is 2a. Again I told you, when you are finding the square root, it will be plus minus always. In quadratic, whenever you are finding a square root, it will be plus and minus. So you get here x plus b upon 2a is equals to, once you take plus, so root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equals to, you take minus x plus b upon 2a is equals to minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What I did? X plus b upon 2a is plus minus. So once I took plus and once I took minus. Therefore, x is equals to b upon 2a plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equals to minus b upon 2a minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here will be minus sign. Therefore, x is equals to, LCM is 2a. So minus b plus root of b square minus 4c, or x is equals to, LCM is 2a minus b minus root of b square minus 4c. So this is the root of the given equation by using the formula method. Means these are the formulas now. So directly I can use this and get the roots. So x equals to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if you put the values of a, b and c and substitute in this, you will get your roots, the answer of the given equation. So I hope this is clear to you. Now here, this, say for example, I will call this one of the root, this root I will call it, say, alpha. If alpha is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and my beta is minus b minus root of b square minus 4c upon 2a, I just denoted, let alpha be one root, beta be one root. So if you take alpha as minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, in this case, since it is plus here and it is minus here, in this case alpha will be bigger than beta. Do not forget this. If my alpha is minus b plus root and here my beta is minus b minus root, so in that case my alpha will be bigger than b. On the other hand, if alpha is minus b minus root of b square minus 4c, means if alpha takes this value and beta takes this value, in that case alpha will be less than beta. So, in short, what you have to remember is, depending on the sign, middle term sign, this sign, you have to guess which is bigger. So, if alpha is minus b plus root, alpha will be bigger. If alpha is minus b minus root upon 2a, then alpha is less than beta. I hope this is clear. Now, we will take one example and we will see how to find the roots by using the formula method. So, this is one example I am taking from practice set 2.4, problem number third one I am taking. Three m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0. Now, very first step, you have to find the values of a, b and c, because in the formula method what is involved is the values of a, b and c. So, this is the given equation to you. Your first step is to find the values of a, b and c. Now, if you compare this equation with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, you will get the value of a as 3, b as 2 and c as minus 7. I repeat, if you compare this, comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 7. We get c is equals to minus 7. The first step. After getting the values of a, b and c, we have seen in the formula that one root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that b square minus 4ac. So, first we will find out that b square minus 4ac. This is equals to, what is b 2 square minus 4, what is a 3, what is c minus 7. This is equals to 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 14. Minus into minus plus. So, you get here 88. So, minus into minus plus. So, 4 3 are 12, 12 7s are 84. So, you get here b square minus 4ac as 88. Now, once you get this, then you say using the formula. Using the formula. Now, using the formula, my equation is in terms of m, my variable is m. So, whatever variables are there, you have to write down that variable. So, using the formula, you get m is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to find the roots. So, minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, in this I am going to put the value of a, b and b square minus 4ac. See what you get. M is equals to minus b. What is b? 2. So, minus 2 plus minus root of what is b square minus 4ac? 88 upon 2 into what is my a? My a is 3. So, this is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Now, 88 can be written as 11 into 88 4 into 2 11 into 4 into 2 22. So, 4 into 22 upon 6. Now, 88 can be written as 4 into 22. So, this is equals to minus 2 plus minus root of 4 is 2, 22 upon 6. I repeat here 88 you can make it a simpler form. So, 88 can be 4 into 22. So, 4 root is 2 and root 22 as it is upon 2 3s are 6. Now, you can see that 2 comes out common from here. So, you get here 2 into bracket minus 2 minus 2, we get here minus 1 plus minus root of 22 upon 6. So, this 2 1s are 2 3s are. So, minus 1 plus minus root of 22 upon 3. So, this is what you get the value of m. So, you get m is equals to minus 1 plus minus root of 22 upon 3 or m is equals to minus 1 minus root of 22 upon 3. So, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So, using the formula what I use here? This formula m is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, using this formula I got the roots. What we have to be careful is here that since the equation is involved in m variable, here when you are using formula you should write here m. If you write here x, because we are used with the variable x. So, if you write here x and if your variable is other than x here, even if the answer is correct, roots are correct, you will be given full 0 marks in the board exam, right, because your variable is m not x. So, see that whatever variables are used, use that variable over here, right. We will see one more example. Y square plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. Now, here first of all you try to bring in the form of ax square plus bx plus c in that form, and then you compare it and find the values of a, b and c. So, here LCM is 3. So, you get here 3y square plus y is equals to 6. LCM is 3. So, multiplying throughout by 3 you get 3y square plus y is equal to 6. That is 3y square plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So, comparing with the general form, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, what you get is here a is equals to 3, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 6. Then you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is 1 square minus 4, 3 into minus 6, that is 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 6s are 72, minus into minus plus. So, you get here 73. Once you get the value of b square minus 4ac, now you say using the formula. What is the formula? Now see, what is the variable here? Y. So, the formula will be y equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2a. It should be the whole thing divided. Sometimes what happens, children only write up till here, means they write like this. This is wrong. It should be complete, the entire thing divided by 2a. And now you put the value of minus b so y is equals to b is 1 plus minus root of, what is b square minus 4ac? 73 divided by 2 into a is 3. So, you get here y is equals to 1 plus minus, now 73, you cannot further simplify that. So, keep it as it is upon 6. So, you get y is equals to 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y is equals to 1 minus root of 73 upon 6. And therefore, solution set will be 1 plus root of 73 upon 6, or 1 minus root of 73 upon 6. Minus b, I made a mistake I think here, minus b. So, b is 1 here, so it will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So, this completes the solution for the given sum. So, these are the roots of the given equation, right. So, today we have done two sums. I will just explain the formula once again, how to find by formula method. So, if you have an equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, it should be always in this form. You find the values of a, b, c, you find the value of b square minus 4ac, and then use the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Using this formula, you will get your required answer. Okay? Thank you.